Hey everybody, I'm Eric with North Trail RV, and today we're going to be talking about the $1.8 million King Aire. So let's check out some of these nice features. As you can see, we've got our two Girard awnings providing tons of shade for your exterior. These are new MORryde doors, which are very sturdy, and the releases are these push buttons, and you're going to find this only on the King Aire and the Essex. This is new for 2025. Check this out. This removed tons of wiring that ran through the whole coach. Really nice diagnostics area. As you can see by all the LED lights, we can see what's working, what's not working, and quickly diagnose any trouble that we have with the coach. I love how they finish off the compartments. Over here, we've got two electric slide out trays with shelves above it, which is awesome. You know, if you're tailgating, you can, put some water and beer and, pile up some chairs and stuff on these. Really nice. Here we've got our exterior TV. This is adjustable, easy to put away. If you look up above, there are 5 exterior paints that are standard, and there will be 4 optional paints for about $80,000. This paint is absolutely gorgeous. Won't find too many of these out there. Here's another nice feature, especially for those tailgaters, having our dual zone refrigerator freezer on a slide out tray. As we move down further here on the coach, you'll have a bay out here, which is great for tools. And then here we'll have our lithium ion batteries and our 2 inverters. And remember, with this coach, we can run one of the air conditions, the center air condition, going down the road without having the generator on. These little guys on the side of the coach, that's new. Those are your blind spot monitoring. All right, here at the back of the coach, this is the legendary K3 accessibility, bay. This makes it great for accessing fuel filter, fuel water separator, battery disconnect, and then here's our access to our rear compartment. Check this out. Air opening, air closing, and look at that, 605 massive motor. Love having the side radiator. I've got full access to belts, fluids, checking and topping off fluids, engine preheat. Here's your Oasis back here. They've finished it off very, very nice. And then check out the grill. They did a really good job on the engine access hood. And right above it, we've got our 360 camera. Here you'll get a really good shot of that $80,000 paint job. It is a mirror. You can see the reflection of all the other coaches in the distance. It is second to none. Also, you'll notice the window awnings are a little different than all the other lines. Only the Essex and King Aire will get the box awnings that are made by Girard right over the windows instead of having the arms on the side like London Aire and Down. These are bonded windows. Some of them, like this one, is opening, but you can see how large the window is when we bond the window and we don't have a frame to work with. All right, over here on the off-door side, this is a continuation from the other side. This is your lithium battery, all the power. You can see your 12-volt power that comes into the coach right here, which makes it really easy to access if we have to do any kind of maintenance or work on the coach. Next bay over is your wet bay area. This is pretty impressive. You're not going to find this on many other coaches. This is your water manifold system. So basically what this is if we have a leak at a faucet, it could be hot or cold, we can turn that water off on either side to that actual leaky faucet or any kind of issue like that. This is also new. We've gone to clear water filters, which is nice because you can actually visually see your water filter and if it needs to be changed. This right here is a great feature. RV SantaCon 2.0. This is like the turbo. Makes it really easy to dump We don't have to use the traditional kind right here. We can simply just push a button and drain the coach. This also has a tilt feature, if you guys didn't know. So when we are dumping, we can actually tilt the whole motorhome to the side to help drain everything out a little easier. And we'll keep moving along. Here we have your power reel. This is electric, no having to reach in there to bring the power cord in. They mount the button right here on the actual door. As we move along, here's your pass-through storage. Both of these trays go in and out either direction, making it very easy to access heavy equipment, maybe golf clubs, coolers, chairs. This is a great feature. It's been in the King Aire for many years. It's a pressure washer. You never know when you're going to get into love bugs. You want to wash your tow vehicle, but having a pressure washer on board is an absolute must for a lot of our guests. Here we are at the front electrical bay. Look how clean they finish off this bay. We also have access to the front generator. This is a HWH hydraulic slide out. Look how nice this is for accessibility, serviceability. If you noticed, here we have the iconic Aire front cap. So notice the windshield wipers are hidden behind this front cap. And now we're done with the outside. If you'd like to, we'll head inside and check out the nice features inside. All right, here we are in the cockpit. You'll notice how they finish off the dash in leather. All your captain's and passenger seats are all wrapped in real leather. These are Williamsburg furniture. This is new for 2025. We've got 2 screens behind one piece of glass there. And we've got our Spartan display there for your engine, RPMs, speed, fuel, all of that. We have memory seats. You'll have 3 positions over here to our left. We do have heated and cooled seats, and actually we've got massaging seats, which is really nice for your passenger. Notice the passenger seat is, we call it the queen seat. It's a little bit wider, so if you want to have your puppy sit up there with you, you've got room for it. Also, the passenger does have their own controls over there on the screen. We've got, again, GPS, radio, and cameras that we can view from that there. As we move along to the coach, I'm going to put up the window or the blinds for you now. So we have these KIB screens all over the coach. We can control it. We can control lighting here, turn them on there, turn it off there. So we'll go over here to shades and we'll put all these up. And these are those bonded windows that I was talking about. Look how it just opens up the floor plan, letting a lot of light in. Absolutely gorgeous. You know, for the people that want to take full advantage of the size of the windows, we can delete these overhead cabinets, but I do like having them up here for that little bit of extra storage, providing a little bit more function and less aesthetics. So here we have the theater seats, again wrapped in premium real leather, not ultra leather that you'll find on other coaches. This is, again, Williamsburg furniture. I like having the TV directly across from the theater seats because it really allows you to have optimal viewing instead of having to look, you know, down the side of the coach to see the TV. As we move into the kitchen area, we have this really nice pull out. Look at these beautiful countertops. These are quartz. We have full extension drawers, and notice their dovetail construction. I do like that they did your sink cover in 3 separate pieces, which makes it nice if you're just simply rinsing something off, maybe putting a cup in, or if you are utilizing the coach for a long period of time, you can leave these off and put these underneath a cabinet. They do a very nice job of finishing off the appliances. Notice we have our Wolf induction stovetop here, and it's completely hidden. It's recessed. If you guys don't know, the Wolf inductions run off at 220 instead of the conventional induction that is only 110, where you can utilize both burners on high with a Wolf, which is 220, which you can't do on a 110 true induction. Again, they finish off your appliances, covering up your microwave with this really nice door, so that when you're not using it, you don't have to look at a microwave. So for 2025, we do have new woods. This wood is comes in 2 different options, either a suede or a gloss, and we can even do 2 tones. So we can do white uppers and sables below, really allowing you to customize the coach. Very nice to be able to have these pull-outs to reach things in the back, utilizing all that space. Actually, you know, here's a really nice thing to know. This is really good information about your coach. These are what your paints are. Here is our weights, our coach number. You know, for those that have owned Newmars before, everybody, you guys know what your coach number is, but for those that don't, the coach number is really what tells Newmar everything about this coach. So when you call your concierge, which every product line has its own concierge, you can call up. They're going to know what options you have on your coach. They're going to know who you are, and pretty much just tells you everything about the coach. I don't know if you guys noticed, but we have cutting boards on the back side of our quartz countertop. This is a really nice booth. This is an option. It is adjustable up and down, in and out. And then to quickly get in and out, this does shift and lock into place in and out. As we move further along, here is your Viking refrigerator. Very high-end refrigerator, and a lot more cubic square footage in this refrigerator than what comes in a standard coach. Here we are in the pantry. They do a really nice job. These are adjustable. They can simply be moved up and down. All these different peg holes allow you to adjust them. And then they do a really fancy job down here where we can put, you know, pots, pans, cookie sheets. The cabinet is backlit, so lights will come on when you open the door. If you notice, the slide out height is taller in this. This is the tallest slide out that they put in any of the coaches. So there'll be more headroom in a King Aire than even in an Essex or any other line. So notice how tall the slide out is. Here we have our Silverleaf. This does talk directly with all the KIB systems in the coach. So from here we can control everything from inverters, converters, lighting, awnings, heating. You know, everything is accessible through here or the mobile app. As we move further through the coach, here we enter the bedroom area. Notice they carried the same quartz countertops from the kitchen into the bedroom, and we carried those same bonded windows, allowing for, you know, tons of light to come into the coach. We did option in the fireplace down below, and notice how large the TV is in the bedroom. If we look over by the bed area, notice we have, again, larger bonded windows allowing nice light coming in. And again, notice how tall your slide boxes are, so you don't feel like you're sleeping in a cave. And we'll move further into the bathroom area. here we are in the master bathroom, and take a look at this shower. They do a beautiful job with this. I love the infinity drain at the bottom of the shower pan. We have the tiled back surround. We have our 2 shower heads, our dual controls, our water miser, so that we don't waste any water while we're dry camping. And across from the shower, we have this beautiful one sink vanity. I love that they backlight the mirror. Really, sets the tone for the coach. You'll also notice these little KIB motion detectors over here. That's to as we enter rooms, the lighting will come on for you. Again, we have more of those KIB screens, so we can control lighting, shades, water miser, heating, cooling from these. So, while we're back here in the master bathroom, I want to point this out. This is a residential Samsung washer dryer, and what makes this so special is that it's a 220 dryer, so it's a lot more efficient. It's a lot faster than your traditional Splendid, RV 110 washer dryer. Well, that will complete our tour of the 2025 4531 King Aire. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. We appreciate you watching. Thank you very much.